What's up everyone? Today we're going to take a quick little preview of a Chevy Tahoe Z71 2022. This one's riding on Goodyear Wrangler tires with a small lift on it, which is adjustable, which is pretty cool due to that air suspension. Taking a look at the rear here. Nice redesign over the previous generation. And there's always a little bow tie Easter egg here and there, so I like to show those off in these videos. And let's pause right here at the window sticker. Alright, taking a look at the side here, we have a big bold Z71 badge with blacked out Tahoe badging, which you'll also find in the front here, and this little Z71 badge there, and on the other side.
So the second row is standard in a bench, however it does come optional with bucket seats, so you can have captain's chairs.
Alright, so stepping on into the second row here of the Chevy Tahoe, we're greeted with our own climate control right here with USB-C ports and a household outlet. And then looking up top, we have our own vents, which are adjustable just like on the previous generations. And around back they did stretch the legroom, so your third row passengers aren't going to be as uncomfortable anymore sitting back there. And then right here you can see the cup holders. So popping the trunk, we can take a look at the cargo room back here. And we have the outlet right there that you can see on the side. Some extra storage down there. And this one is manual, so you do have to manually push these down. However, there are other models that you can get electric on. And I believe that is an option on this one as well. So you can see they have improved the comfort in the room a little bit back there, because it used to be really crunched, as the salesman was saying right here. It used to be pretty uncomfortable to have a third row of passengers there, but now it seems like it's a lot more enjoyable of an experience if you do have to have people back there. Alright, so taking a look at the driver's side door here, you see some wood and some faux leather on the sides there. Hopping on in, we can take a look at our climate control knobs, heated seats, you see our vents, fully digital gauge cluster now, finally. The old one was definitely looking a bit outdated compared to this one. Another vent right here, your 4-wheel high, 4-wheel low, 2-wheel drive controls, mirror, your visor right here, pretty nice size visor, and just a lot of headroom in there for sure. Same steering wheel that's found in the Silverados, your new gear selector, and here's just another look of the cup holders, wireless charger area, a key fob right here, very similar once again to those Silverados. Tons of console storage right here with a little divider organizer kind of thing there included, which is kind of nice. USB-C, USB. And I'll just be running a little bit of extra film here while I was just recording of a few other features.